Good morning, students. Welcome to day 18 class. Already we discussed clearly 10.1 exercise. In the 10.1 exercise, there are perimeter problems. That is depends upon according to perimeter and rectangle and perimeter and square. Both are there. Okay. Then regular figures. How to solve the regular figures perimeter? We discussed it in 3 class. Okay. Because of day 16, 17. Day 15 also we discussed that only. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss about area. What is that? Area. Area and perimeter should be one coin and two face. Okay. Before that area we discussed. Before that perimeter I already clearly explained the all problems. And I given only some problems you have to solve in your home. I hope all have solved that problem, but no one can send that solved problems. Okay. Compulsory in this January month, your classes are start. That's why you have to prepare. Then all exercise problems you have to solve in your prayer book. Then I will check that all problems. Okay. Any mistake means any doubt problems is there, any critical problems is there, you have to send that problem. I will send you again. Okay. Now I will ask some question. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? Perimeter is a total length of the boundary of figure is called perimeter. That should be only counting the total length of the boundary in the figure is called perimeter. But then what is the area? Area means what? You take any figure or any material, that material should occupy how much place, how much surface. That is the area of that figure. For example, this is one textbook is there in your 6th standard textbook is there. This textbook should be how much place is occupied. That is the area of this textbook. Okay. Then you have to write here how much place this is occupied. You have to write here. Okay. Afterwards, I will take that. This is the occupied place. Occupied means ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. This is area of that 6th class textbook. This is area. But this is not area. This is perimeter because this is the boundary. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು boundary ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is area. What is that? This is the area. In your home, there are so many rooms are there. One is hall, another one is bedroom, kitchen, this type, and so many types of different, and veranda is there. Okay, you have to think it. This is your home, and this is your hall, this is your bedroom, this is also another one bedroom, and this is your kitchen, and this is your ದೇವರ God's room, ದೇವರ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Okay, and this is your veranda. Okay, then you have to count it. ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, this is area is useful to in your daily life. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೇಲಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. You know how to solve that problem. I will tell you with formula. Then want means how much place that should be occupied, that one we should ನಮಗ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, look at here, this is one your textbook. This textbook length is how much? 6 meter. Okay, then breadth is 4 meter. How much? Breadth is 4 meter. Then what is the area? Perimeter means all are doing easy. What is the formula of perimeter? What is, which type of figure this is? Sir, this is a rectangle, sir. Why it is rectangle? Square not. It is rectangle means, sir, length and breadth is different, sir. Then all sides are same length means, that is we should call square. But length and breadth is different is given there means, that is rectangle figure. Okay, sir, in this rectangle figure 6 meter length is there, sir, and 4 meter breadth is there. Okay, then you do one thing, 6 meter is there, then you have to divide here 1 meter columns. How much is columns are there? 1 meter means it is 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5. It is another one, it is 6. Okay, look at here, 1 1 1 1 1 1. You should count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 meter is there, and all are 1 meter columns are there. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ 6 ಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ in here to here 1 meter, here to here 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, then we divide this way and also divide also this way, horizontal. Okay, then here 4 meter breadth is there, then you have to divide 1 meter breadth separately. It is 1 meter 1 meter 1 meter. It is also 1 1 1 1. Count it, 1 2 3 4 meter is there. I divided 1 meter separate length. Okay, then you have to, I will ask some question. Okay, look at here, here to here how much is there? Sir, 1 meter, sir. Then here to here only this much, how it is? Yes, sir, it is 1 meter. Absolutely right. And here to here, sir, how it is, sir? Same, it is, and it is also same, sir, it is also 1 meter. Then here it is also 1 meter, 1 1 1. Then all sides are 1 meter. This is, we should call 1 square meter. We should call that is 1 square meter. 1 square meter, that is the area of this box. Area में हम फाइंड ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, area is all sides are same length means, that is 1 square meter. Then okay, look at here, here to here 1 plus 1 2, and here to here 1 plus 1 2, here plus here 1 2 1 2. Then all sides are there means 1 2 3 4. How much it is area? 4 meter. Then you have to count here how many boxes are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. The area of this figure is how much? 24 square meter. What is that? 24 square meter. One thing is clear. Remember this thing is very important. Area. This point is very important. Area we should represent. Square unit. In given there centimeter, meter, centimeters. Otherwise we are writing this square cm. They are given kilometer means we are writing square kilometer. That's why square kilometer. In your India's population should be 1 square kilometer is how much is living there. Now then counting ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Understand? Okay. Remember, and I am going to discuss what is area. What is area means all of you write this. All of you write that. What is area? What is a area? This is question mark. Answer: the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. All of you take that headline first. In new page you take the headline, then you have to write here area which should represent square unit. That is, meter means square meter, centimeter means square centimeter, kilometer means square kilometer. It is very important. In perimeter we should represent only meter, centimeter is given there. Okay. Then what is area means you should answer the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. In the figure, how much place is enclosed? It is occupied. That is the area of that figure. Understand? Okay, all of you write down this one. Find the area of following. Some figures are given there. Okay, this is the figure given, and okay, here 4 meter and here 3 meter is there. Find the area. Find the area means it is very easy. This type problems all of you solved in 4th standard. Recall that. ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ you should count only how many square boxes are there. How many boxes are there you should count, then you have to write, that is the answer. Okay, then you have to count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many boxes are there? Total 12 square box. Then area is equal to 12. What is given there? Meter is given there, means it is 12 square meter. Square box, 1 square box, 1 square meter. 2 square box, 2 square meter. Okay, then another one. Yes, then here 4 meter and here 1 2 3 4 5 meter. Yes, find the area. First we should count total number of boxes. How many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Total number of boxes is equal to how many? 20. Then area, what I told, how many boxes are there, that is the area of that figure. Understand? Then area of that figure is 20 square meter. This is only 20 square meter. All of you take that headline, find the area following, draw this figure, write this one, draw that figure, write that. Okay, write fast. Dear students, look at here. 10.2 exercise. 10.2 exercise. Find the area of the following figures by counting square. Okay, I told na, I already explained this type. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. First of all, you should use your pencil. Then you have to set the total here. Mark it in that given dots is there. That one you should join. Then you have to count there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is this area is 9 square centimeter. You should write there centimeter only. Then how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square centimeter. 1. This is half and this is half should be 1. This is half and this is half should be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 meter. This is also C, 4 meter, because look at here, they are given half up is there, you should see carefully, then you have to solve. And D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8. And this is how many are there? All are only full figures are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 square centimeters. Okay. Look at here, Yup is there. First one it is half and in downside is half. Half plus half, it should be 1. Then remaining 1 and 2, and this is half and this is half. 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 square meter. Then G, 1. This is half and half. This half and this half should be 1 and this one should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square centimeter. And H, I, J, look at here, one J, one triangle is there. You should count the half up also, 1 half, 2 half, 3 half, 4 half. 4 half is there, means that is equal to 2. Then it is 1 and this is 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square meter. And K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is K also 5 centimeter, 5 square centimeter. And J, K, I. This is very critical. You should think and write. Okay. Then you should use that. This one. You should color the figure. Then you have to find the answer. Okay. This type is given there, means this is one triangle is there. Okay. First of all, they are given this type. No. Yes, this is half and this is half. 1 half, 2. This is half, 3. 1 plus 1, 1, 2. This is half, 3. This is half, 4. It is 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 square centimeter. total number of boxes, then you have to write the 8 boxes. Okay, remember total number of boxes. First here write total number of boxes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Total number of boxes 9. Then area, then you have to write there below side area 9 square centimeter. This type you have to write. Then you have to send me WhatsApp through. Any doubt means you have to ask. Okay, thank you.